ZenGo wallet versus Trezor wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare the ZenGo wallet and Trezor wallet to help you determine which one better suits your crypto management needs. The ZenGo wallet is a mobile-based software wallet that stands out due to its keyless security system, utilizing multi-party computation (MPC). This eliminates the need for traditional private keys, reducing risks associated with losing access. Instead, cryptographic secrets are split between your device and ZenGo's servers, ensuring robust security without complexity. ZenGo supports a variety of cryptocurrencies and offers convenient features like in-app buying, swapping, and earning rewards. Its intuitive design is ideal for beginners or those seeking an effortless, secure wallet for day-to-day transactions and portfolio management. The Trezor wallet, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet that excels in providing cold storage security. Unlike ZenGo, Trezor keeps your private keys entirely offline, protecting them from potential hacks or online threats. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and integrates with the Trezor Suite app, enabling users to monitor balances, initiate transactions, and even stake certain assets. Trezor is geared towards those who prioritize maximum security, especially for long-term holding or larger crypto investments. However, its reliance on a physical device and the need for setup might feel less convenient for casual users or beginners. Choosing between these wallets depends on your needs. If you want a seamless, user-friendly experience with strong security and features tailored to active trading or everyday crypto use, ZenGo is a fantastic choice. On the other hand, if you're focused on safeguarding your digital assets with the highest level of protection and plan to store your crypto long-term, Trezor is the better option. Both wallets are reliable in their respective niches, so your decision should align with how you plan to use them. Check the links in the description to explore each wallet further.